Look at Colossians chapter 2. From verse 14, Abi. He says, he cancelled the unfavorable record of our debts with its binding rules and did away with it completely by nailing it to the cross. And on that cross, Christ freed himself and freed you from the power of the spiritual rulers and authorities. He made a public spectacle of them by leading them as captives in his victory procession. On that cross, he destroyed principalities and powers and made a public show of them. First of all, he said he has cancelled the debt. He cancelled the debt. Some of you are still talking about ancestral curses. You are told you are under ancestral curse. A Christian baptized, a Catholic, you receive communion. They say you are under ancestral curse and you believe. Which ancestral curse? Galatians chapter 3 verse 13. Christ became curse for your sake, to destroy any curse that's following you. And in Colossians 2 now, he says any bad record that was against you, whether it's one your ancestors did, that he cancelled it. So where is the ancestral curse coming from? That's why many of you are doing family deliverance, evil foundation. Like I've always said, me, I'm not against praying for your family. Pray for organized prayers, retreat, crusade for your family. That's not a problem to me. But when you are going with the mindset that there is family curse, that what your ancestors did is following you. They say your ancestors killed people. They sacrificed to idols. They worshipped idols. That's why this is happening to you. During the Second World War, the Germans killed how many Jews? 6 million Jews documented. There could be more than that. Only Jews. Not to talk about people of other nationalities. The Polish, the French, the Austrians, the English, and other persons. By the Germans. War that was just how many years ago? Where is Germany today? If you count the first 5 most developed, rich countries in the world, where do you count? Is Germany not part of them? Why is their ancestors this is not following them? You that your ancestors, maybe it's even mistake they use bow and arrow. And your ancestors, your ancestors are people that lived like how many years ago? They say it's following. Why is it not following the Germans? The German nation is among the richest in every aspect. If you come to the church, the German culture is among the richest. Why is the sins of the ancestors not following them? And only you ancestral sin they follow. And the good thing here is that it's God that did the deliverance. He has delivered you and transferred you. All these people who are deliverance crazy. And another thing about this is the stupidity involved in it. You are not married. They say spiritual husband, you need deliverance. Okay, fine. You have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you are still doing. You are doing the same thing and you are getting the same results. What is that? Somebody who keeps doing the same thing and is getting the same result. What do you call the person? I don't want to make the no say father insult person. More than help me tell somebody now. Somebody that has been doing deliverance and the situation has not changed. And anywhere you see that there is this thing, they will tell you it's deliverance, you will go. Some you will pay. Some you will do this. And you keep doing it and what is happening to you has not stopped. And you are still doing, what is that? What do we call such person? Like I've always, some people see, deliverance is, they say is to remove something, Abi. What they have delivered some people from is their brain. Their brain is no longer with them. Don't be like that. So, in fact, that is the reason St. Paul wrote to the Colossians. The Colossians were like many of us. They were very syncretistic. And they believe in all these things about witches or wizards. They believed in days and seasons. They believe that if you do a traditional marriage on Nkwo Day, you are not going to have a good marriage. They believe in powers of this. And that's why it's important to them. Say, I can't believe that you, whom Christ has delivered, is still doing all of this. What nonsense is that?
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Make new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.